I am Shubham. Today's my topic is the import of English. English is important for us. English is not a subject; it is a global and international language. Into the foreign, all peoples and all people speaking in English. So we have to know English. And computer English is helpful for us for job interviews, education, banking system, and anyone. And especially into the computer, all information on programming in English. And for us, I have completed 12th board exam. So I take in BBA college. So all subject on all lectures in the English. So I can't speak English and read English. So I decided to joining English class. And after joining English class, my English is better, and I can read, I can understand sentences, and I can conversation with us. So I realized to how is important of English me. Uh, Thank you for all efforts, sir, behind me. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.
Okay, good. Clap for you. So, what is your life and what do you want to do in your life?
I want to become a businessman. Electrical lines.
Okay. So, you want to adopt of your father business?
Yes.
Okay, what is your father business?
My father is the electrical sales.
Electric sales. So, your father is having your own shop.
Yes.
Okay, so you are selling as a retailer.
Yes. And all companies. Right.
You know, so what about the company you know about electricals?
Okay, little shop and like Sri Sai Electricals, Global Electronics, like that.
So do you know some electrical works?
Yes, I always my father is a sell some products. I can I can make bills in busy software.
Yeah, and you have to your father
Yes.
to complete that task.
Yes, and so about something time I fill full tax on GST.
Okay, you complete that task.
Yes.
Okay, good, nice. Now you are satisfied by your level.
Yes.
Okay,
Definitely.
good.
My name is Devans. Today my topic is my school.
About my school.
About my school.
Hmm.
My school name is Deep Darshan. My class teacher name is Pooja ma'am. And my principal ma'am name is Ruti Desai. My vice principal's name is Rishikesh sir.
Okay.
My class teacher is 7.
Which subject do you like most?
Maths.
Maths. And how many students are in your class?
45.
And how many classrooms are there in your school?
20.
So you can view in detail, like 20, 40, 50, what is this? And how many members are in your family? Explain something about your family member. Explain me something about your.
12.
Explain me something about your family member.
Grandmother,
Hmm.
grandfather,
Hmm.
father, mother, sister,
Hmm.
mother.
And what do you do? What do you do? तुम क्या करते हो?
I go to the school.
I'm a student. Okay, chalo, okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Siddharth Gupta. Today my topic. Today my topic is after joining class and before joining a class. Before joining a class, my English is a weak and not proper making a sentences, and I am not speak with my ma'am, sir, and my sister. And after joining a class, my English is a good and making a proper sentences with grammar, and speak with my ma'am and sister and mother. Thank you.
Okay, what is your life aim?
My life aim is army officer.
So, for the army, English is required.
Yes, sir.
So, how required? Explain me. How the English is required to be a army?
Sir, exam.
For example, as a purpose of exam, the English is required here.
Yes, sir.
And I think you have completed 1 month, no?
Yes, sir.
So, in 1 month, how many topics have you covered of English? In 1 month, how many topics have you covered of English?
Past simple and future simple, future continuous, present simple, present perfect tense.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. And more tenses.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
And how many members are in your family?
4 member, such as my parent and sister
Hmm.
and me.
Okay, so do you make the conversation with your sister?
Yes, sir.
Every day you make the conversation.
No, sir.
So how you can learn English properly? How you can speak English properly?
With my sister telling me, and um,
So you can say I make the conversation practice with my sister.
yes, sir.
Then I get the level of English. Okay. So do you think that your level is increasing?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay, good. Clap for it.
Good evening. My name is Raju Nagesh Akhade. My topic is about my school. My school name is Bhagwan Mahavir International School. It is located in Vesu, Surat, and my school ground is very big, and my principal name is Shipla Gupta. Teacher name is Shweta Pathak ma'am, and my favorite subject is maths, and my school is very big, and and my s- and with me English, and my teacher speak English with me.
My teacher also speak English with me. Okay, so what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a doctor.
Doctor. Why you want to become a doctor? Not an engineer, not a cricketer, not actor. Why only doctor?
Doctor is helpful, and
Hmm. Okay, that's the doctor character you like much. Okay, so do you like to watch movie?
yes,
So what type of movie do you like to watch?
English.
English movie. Okay, so which movie have you seen?
Uh,
You don't have the name.
no.
You just only see. You just only watch. So what they are doing, do you know properly in movie? So you don't like Hindi movie? But to know the English movie, you must learn the English language, no? You know? So how is your level of English?
My English is weak,
Hmm.
and I'm not speak English.
Hmm.
But I am join class, and my English is good.
My English is improved. Okay. So do you practice of English with anyone?
Yes,
With whom do you practice of English?
my father.
I practice of English.
I practice of English my father and my sister.
Okay. So you think that your English is improving?
Yes.
Sure. And what? How many hours do you study of English every day?
3 hours.
So you study of English for the 3 hours.
Yes.
Okay, good. Clap for it.
Good evening. My name is Tanisha Rahul Merade. Today I speak after joining a class and before joining a class. Before joining a class, my English is weak and I'm not making a sentence. I'm not understanding English meaning and I am very nervous and my confidence level is very low. And after joining a class, my English is good and my confidence level is very high and my confidence level is very high and I speak to English and I read properly English and I read properly English and I speaking English with my mother, father and sister and I speak English face to face. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so why you decided to?
Because I'm studying in English medium and I'm not speaking English
Hmm.
and I'm decided to learn English.
So, and which medium are you studying right now?
I'm studying English medium.
Okay, and what's your father? What's your mother?
My father is gym trainer and my mother is doing beauty parlor course.
Okay, so, and what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become my life IAS officer
You want to become an IAS officer. Why you decided to become the IAS officer?
because it is my dream.
But why? Why your dream is that to be that, not only doctor, mechanical engineer, whatever that?
Sir, IAS officer is India is very big. Uh,
It's a prestigious job,
Yes.
respectable service. Okay,
yes.
and okay. So for learning English, what do you think about your English level?
My English level is improved and very good.
Okay, so you agree that when you joined was English, your English was weak, and right now English is good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what types of practice? With whom do you practice of English?
I practice tenses and
With whom? I'm asking you. With whom do you practice of English?
with my father and mother and sister.
Okay, and at school, in your school, there is a full atmosphere of English.
No, sir. I with my teachers only. Only teachers.
Only teacher can speak English, and your
Yes.
friends.
No.
Do you have friend? Do you have friend?
Yes.
How many friends do you have?
Sir, बहुत सारे friend है.
So how you say? I have many friends.
I have many friends.
So you don't speak English with them.
No, sir.
You don't speak English with them. Okay, good. Nice. Clear for you.
Good evening. My name is Pranjal Pradeep Patil. My topic is about my daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I do some basic exercise. Then I take a shower. Then I worship to God. Then I take my breakfast. After that, I go to my school. About 12:30 p.m. I come from my school and take my lunch. Then I take a nap. After that, I go to my tuition classes about 3 p.m. and I come at home at 5 o'clock. After that, I come at spoken English classes, and after spoken English classes, I go to Garba classes. After Garba classes, I go to my home. Then I take dinner with my family members. Then I do my homework. Then I play with my friends and brother sister. Then I practice English, and then I go to my bed. That's it. I spend my whole day.
Okay, so you spend your whole day. In that whole day, what is the timing of English? What it means? What time do you practice of English?
About 9:30 to 10:30.
9:30 to 10:30.
Yes.
So what time do you go to school?
Night. I practice night.
9 to and right now
9:30.
actually I see here. So you are in the Garba classes, no?
No, I am 9 o'clock in the Garba classes. Then
Till
I
9 o'clock you are in Garba classes, and
Yes.
after that
go to my home.
you go to your home.
Yes.
And what time do you start the practice of English?
About 9:30.
9:30 to 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Only 30 minutes.
10:30, 11.
10:30. And what time do you
Not
go to
I know my fixed time is not there,
Huh.
but I start 9:30.
But you start. Okay. Basically, what do you do as a practice of English?
I speak in English and then I write, make some sentences.
Hmm.
Then I speak with my sister and my mother.
Okay. If you want to try to speak English with anyone, so how you try to speak English?
Greetings and what I do in my whole day. That's like I speak.
Okay. Now, what do you think about your English?
My English is very good
Hmm.
and I like my spoken English classes.
Okay. And are your parents are satisfied by you, by your level of English?
By my level of English.
They are satisfied you.
Yes.
They think that you are really learning English properly.
Yes.
And right now, what are you doing? In which school are you studying right now?
My school name is Vedant International School.
In which standard are you studying?
7th.
7th. Okay. So is there atmosphere of English?
Only teachers and principal ma'am they are speaking English.
And students?
Students is not.
Okay, but you have to try. You have to try to mix English with that.
Okay.
Okay, good. Clap for her.
My name is Uddhav Sutar. Today my topic is why English is important. English is one of the most widely spoken language in the world. It help us communicated with people from different countries. English is important for education, jobs, business, and travel. Most books, website, and online courses are available in English. Learning English with gives us connection to many knowledge and opportunity. It also helps us use technology and the interest more infinitely. In now worlds, many companies prepare employee who can speak English. Good English skilled can help us get better jobs and build confident. English is not just a language. It is a bridge and that connect people the world.
As like English is very important for you. No?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think about your level of the English?
My level is growing.
Your level is growing. So what are you doing to grow your level? What you are doing to grow your level?
I don't know.
You say that I am continuous copying in the class and I practice of English.
Today I go to perfect spoken class and join, and then I am self study.
Okay.
Then watch videos, YouTube's and LinkedIn and any more.
Okay. So do you practice of English for improve your English?
Yes, sir.
With whom do you practice of English?
My sister.
With your sister. And what does your sister do?
My sister is a teacher.
teacher. So like in which school she is teaching now?
Hmm, अभी वो सर उसका नाम मैं भूल गया अभी न्यू ज्वाइन किया है.
Okay, good. So you think that your level has improved?
Yes sir.
Okay, so good feedback for him.
Hello everyone, my name is Patel Bhavi Jignesh Bhai. My today topic is daily routine. I get up 6 o'clock every day and wash my face and go for a morning walk in the park, and I have a take a shower and ready for other works, and 9 a.m. to my tuition classes. Go to my tuition classes and 9 to 10:30 p.m. and go back my house. And, go back my house. 12:30 p.m. my lunch.
I take my
I
lunch.
take my lunch
Okay.
and 1 to 4 hours rest my brain
Okay.
And-
1 to 4 hours I take
and-
my rest.
rest, and 6 o'clock to my go for tuition classes, and 7 o'clock to my house, go for my house, and
Okay.
8 p.m. so dinner my with family.
I take a dinner.
I take my family, and 9 to 9:30 p.m. read book,
Okay.
and 10 o'clock to my sleep.
And 10 o'clock I go to
Sleep.
bed. Okay. So basically, how many hours do you study of English?
Read the book.
How many
Speak.
hours? How many hours? 1, 2, 3. How many hours do you study of English?
1.
1 hour only. And basically, what do you do in 1 hour? What do you do in 1 hour? एक घंटे में आप क्या करते हो? Reading
हाँ।
करते हो, speaking करते हो,
Read book.
reading the books,
Read
and
books, and words. Learn
Learn
to
the words.
learn the words and
Okay.
conversations,
and make the conversations.
etc.
Okay, so many more things you are doing. Okay, so do you think that your English is improving?
My English.
लग रहा है English improve हो रहा है?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to do the practice lot. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा practice करनी है, so your English will improve. Okay?
Okay.
Good. चलो, clap.
Hello, good evening. My name is Natasha Rahul Merare. About my school. My school name is Sunrise Vidyalay. It is located in Udnati Rasta, and my school is very big. My class teacher name is Jyoti ma'am, and my favorite ma'am name is 50, and my total ma'am is 50.
50 or 15?
And my friend name is Jia and Devyani. And my favorite subject is English, and my favorite game is Kho-Kho. And
Okay, where is your school?
my
Where is your school?
my school
Your school is in Utna, no?
my school is Dindol Surat.
Indoli or Utna?
Unna. Dindoli.
And what is your father?
My father is gym trainer.
And what is the name of your principal?
My principal ma'am name is Rupal ma'am.
And how many hours do you study of English? 1 hour, 2 hours. How many hours do you speak English?
1 hour.
And do you practice of English?
Yes.
With whom do you practice of English? With whom do you try to speak English? You can say I made the practice with my sister, with my mother, with my father.
My father.
So speak again.
My father
please.
and my mother and sister.
Okay, I practice of English with my mother and father.
Brother and sister.
Okay, and do you think that your English is improving?
Yes.
बात करते हो इंग्लिश में स्कूल में?
Yes, my teacher and my sir.
You speak English with your teacher and with your
Sir.
Sir.
And my friend.
and with also my friends.
Yes.
Okay, good. Also, you can clap.